Hey guys, so quick video for you. If your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is not charging, one thing that you can try to do is that you can try different cables, different charging brick, and even check the port if it's clean. And you can, if you charge it through some outlet, change the outlet, and like just try multiple things here, like to see what can actually fix it. And if it actually looks like stuck and not charging, another thing you can do is you want to press and hold a record button for 10 seconds to force shutdown and then just restart. So yeah, hope it actually helped you at least a little bit. I just wanted to make this quick video for you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day.